Hello, you guys. Welcome back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So, recently, Swiss Beauty had launched a holographic eyeliner. I don't know how many of you are familiar with it. I'm quite sure you all know about it because that was trending on Instagram. Like, I even tried to get my hands on one of those shades and I tried for 2 weeks and it was out of stock everywhere. Okay, so right after that, they have launched a new eyeliners and they're called Eye Sparkle Sketch Liners, and I have got my hands on all the colors. So this is how the packaging of these liners look like. Can we take a minute to appreciate how beautiful they look? I mean, can you see those little sparkles on there? That is gorgeous. Now let's see how the packaging of the actual product looks like. This is how the packaging of the product looks like. I must say it's got a very sturdy and classy packaging. It's very sleek and elegant. Also, it looks like a very premium quality product. Now that we've talked about the packaging of these products, let's have a look at the swatches of all the shades. This comes in 6 different shades: brown, blue, green, golden, pink and silver. You can clearly see the swatches of all the products here. I've also given the names of all the colors so that you know by what name it goes by. Honestly, the one thing that I absolutely love about these products are the little sparkles that's present in it. And when I say sparkles, I don't mean like a chunky sparkle. It's got a very soft sheen to it, and that is absolutely gorgeous. Now that we have talked about the product packaging and the shades that come in, let's see how these shades are gonna sit on my eyes, because not a lot of products sit well on eyes. Like, I have tried several eyeliners that perform really well when I swatched on my hands, but that does not, perform really well on eyes. So let's see how this is gonna sit on my eyes. I have no idea what sort of eyeliner look to go with, but let's do something that's very simple. We are only going to look at how well it's going to sit on my eyes and if it's transfer proof and stuff like that. So let's get into it. I'm going to go in with the blue liner first and draw like a normal winged eyeliner. Okay, this does glide on really well. So I have done one on my eye. Now I'm gonna go in with the pink liner and do something over it. This eye look is complete. Now let me do the same on my other eye and be right back. Guys, isn't this gorgeous? Like, just look at my eyes. Honestly, at this point, I really want to try out the silver one as well because I want to see how this is gonna sit on my eyes. I don't know what sort of eye look I must go with because I think this looks good, but I want to test this as well. So I'm just gonna, draw like a very thin line on top of my eyelid as well. So let's see how the silver is gonna sit on my eyes, okay? Oh my god. Okay, this silver is super pigmented. Like, it's way pigmented than it was on my hands. Like, on eyes, it's sitting really well. So this is how my eye looks like. Isn't it beautiful? Let me give you all a brief review on these liners. So first of all, the color payoff is absolutely amazing. You can clearly see how well it is sitting on my eyes. Plus the fact that it is smudge proof really got me wondered. Like, for this price point, okay, I forgot to mention the price of these. These retail for rupees 300, I believe, and the colors they've come up with is absolutely great. The formula of the product is also amazing. The way it's gliding on my eyes, I mean, I was astonished by not a lot of liners glide on easily these days. So these did really well. Especially colored liners does not perform really well compared to the normal black eyeliners most of the time. But Swiss Beauty, you guys nailed it with these eyeliners. Another thing I want to mention is that I really was very skeptical when it came to the silver color, because since it's a very light shade, I thought that it would not perform really well or it might not show off really well. But damn, this really got my attention more than the blue, more than the pink. I love these lighter shades. I really wanted to try the golden one as well, but for this eye look, I don't think that golden would have gone really well. Plus, I did not know what else to, like what sort of graphic liner to come up with. So Yes, this is what I've got today, and I love the colors. I love the packaging. I love the formulation of the product. So, if you guys want to give this a try, I would say go for it. It's absolutely worth it. So, yes, this is my review on the Eye Sparkle Sketch Liners by Swiss Beauty. I absolutely love it. If you guys want to give it a shot, feel free to do that because this is worth every penny. So, yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you guys in another one. Till then, bye bye.